Okay, this is the top spin. So the way you do the top spin, you start with the two-hand hold, and you put your partner in the cuddle, and then you lift up the left hand, guys, and start spinning your partner and twist the other wrist. And so you'll end up like this. The next part, you're going to push off her back and take this hand, walk around, and put it on your right hip. And then reach out your left hand, and girls will take it. Then you'll let go of the hand on your hip, spin your partner once, put the hand behind your head, and reach behind your partner and grab her again. And then to finish, pick up your arm, throw it down lightly, and spin her out.
This is Topspin into Dishwasher.
Okay, so we just taught you how to do top spin, so we'll just go from the ending. So you've got your partner's hand above your head, and you've grabbed your partner's hand behind her back. So instead of, we still pick up our arm, but instead of just throwing it and spinning her out, we grab onto her left and right wrist, and then start spinning out, but bring your elbow behind her head, dip once, right arm up, and switch, spin her left elbow behind the head, dip,